What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to talk about something that's truly exciting for all the adventure seekers out there, the TUTTIO electric dirt bike. This incredible piece of technology is designed for both teens and adults, offering an unparalleled riding experience. From its powerful motor to its long-lasting battery and unique design, this electric dirt bike is packed with features that will make your off-road adventures nothing short of breathtaking. First, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the 2000W brushless motor. This powerful engine can continuously provide 200 Nm of power, allowing you to conquer challenging terrains with ease and experience acceleration like never before. Whether you're climbing steep hills or racing across flat plains, this motor has the power to deliver. And with the right safety gear, including a helmet, knee pads, and elbow pads, you'll be fully protected as you push this bike to its limits. The sheer power and performance of this motor make it an absolute thrill to ride, and I can tell you from personal experience, it's an adrenaline rush like no other. Another key feature of the TUTTIO electric dirt bike is its long-lasting battery. With a massive 48 V21Ah lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 35 to 43 miles of range, depending on factors like load, speed, road surface, and temperature. This means you can explore more trails without worrying about running out of juice. And with a charging time of just 6 to 7 hours, you can get back on the road in no time. The battery's extended range and relatively quick charging time make it perfect for those long weekend rides or extended adventures. And let's not forget the 31% more capacity and 16% more range compared to other models on the market. This bike is truly designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Now, let's take a closer look at the unique design of the TUTTIO electric dirt bike. The all-aluminum alloy forged frame is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provides a solid foundation for the bike's high-performance capabilities. The rear-mounted suspension and high-density anti-slip seats ensure a comfortable ride, even on the most challenging terrains. And with an overall vehicle size of 5'9.8", 31.1", 39.3 inches, and a weight of just 105 pounds, this bike is both agile and powerful. The fact that it can bear weights of up to 265 pounds makes it suitable for both teenagers and adults, although it's essential to note that teenagers should use this product under the supervision of a guardian. The TUTTIO electric dirt bike also features a safe speed mode, with 3 different modes to choose from. This allows you to select the perfect speed for your riding experience, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. The 14-inch front and 12-inch rear puncture-resistant tires can adapt to different road surfaces, providing the best riding experience possible. And with the sensitive braking system, you can be assured of your safety and ultimate experience. The combination of these features makes this bike an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their off-road adventures. Lastly, the safety and comfort features of the TUTTIO electric dirt bike are truly impressive. The front wheel is equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension hydraulic fork system, while the rear wheel features an independent suspension, high-stiffness air spring shock absorber. These systems work together to absorb shocks and bumps, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The sensitive braking system is also designed to fully protect the rider's safety, giving you the confidence to push the bike to its limits. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike has everything you need to enjoy a safe and exhilarating ride. In conclusion, the TUTTIO electric dirt bike is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to take your off-road adventures to the next level. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, unique design, safe speed mode, and impressive safety and comfort features, this bike is a must-have for anyone looking to experience the thrill of electric dirt biking. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing bike